guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are in a different setting, and we meaning me and Nish. This is Babe's niece, which technically make her my niece. So if you guys watched my last vlog, you will have seen her in the vlog. Yeah, if you didn't see the vlog yet, please go check it out. Link will be in the description bar and also on the screen as usual. So yeah, tell them hi. I'm not ready to introduce her yet. Wait, no, we're coming now. Well, she's been staying with us for like a couple days now. Literally, she has like the most mature conversations. And like I just wanted to do like my own episode of kids say the darnest things, because literally she does say the darnest things, and it's funny more while I'm just wanted to laugh. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Guys, I'm so sorry for the walker in the background. I hope you guys can hear us, because you don't know them cut yard or down here, so you know that. I'm going to try to include subtitles, so you know, if you don't speak Patois or Jamaican, you know, then you'll probably understand a bit of what we're saying. I'm going to put subtitles down below so you guys will see what we're saying. Yeah, I hope you guys find this video fun and funny. That's the reason why I'm doing it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also thumbs up this video. Alright? Yeah. Let's go. Alright, so what's your name? Tell everybody your name.
My name is Nish.
Alright, and you are how many years old? 4 years old? Okay, what school do you go to? Huh? Entry basic school? Alright guys, I don't know where that is, but I know it's somewhere.
Down there, so.
They're down there, so. Okay, alright, cool. What is your favorite color?
Pink.
Pink? Where's pink? Show me pink. Yeah? What color is?
Pink.
Ah, okay. What are the names of your friends? What's your friend name?
Pink Jane.
Pete and Jane? Alright, well. Percival? Okay. I'll go two friends out. You don't have no more friend? One to the girl we call it, we say sister? Dijonay? Okay.
She come with me.
She come with you?
She
Over here. Alright, cool.
and she is my friend.
So your friend? Alright. What do you think about school? You like school? What do you like about school?
Friend them.
And your friend be like, so you like your schoolwork?
Yes.
Yeah? What do you like? What your favorite subject? What do you like to do the most at school? Math, spelling, English, what do you like to?
Right.
You like right? What do you like right?
This. That.
What?
That.
That.
Your friend.
You like draw? Oh, okay. You like draw then. Where you used to draw?
Ruler.
Ruler, and what else?
I don't draw it.
You gonna draw with ruler? So you not draw with pencil? Where you use on draw? You don't use pencil?
Me use the ruler and draw the pen and draw ruler.
Yeah, you put on the ruler and you use the pencil draw around the ruler.
Yeah.
Okay. Who is your favorite teacher?
Auntie Ruka.
Auntie Ruka?
Yes.
That's what she name. What kind of name that?
She's my teacher.
She's a teacher?
Yes.
Okay, so, and you like her?
Yes.
What do you like about her?
She made me play.
She make you play. So you like the fact that she make you play?
Yes.
So you love play then. What's your favorite game?
I don't see.
I don't see.
Yeah, racing.
I'm racing. You can run fast?
Yes.
You can run fast. You can run faster than you.
You can run fast now.
No, I can run fastest.
Me too.
No?
Yes. Yes.
Nope. You can run faster than you.
I may run from the field, so I push me down.
When I run from the field, sorry, I push it down?
Yes.
And what you do?
You go tell teacher banana.
And what the teacher do?
So now you say that.
Good fear. You tell her so she not to push it down. You talk back to her after that? Yeah, good girl. What else going to school?
I'm going to school.
None else going to school? School boring, man. That's all?
school.
And then school over? So you eat lunch?
Yes, then school over. Then more rest and then school over.
You eat lunch and then the rest of school over?
No, we eat lunch, I rest, and eat the snack at school over.
So you eat lunch, you rest, and then you eat a snack and school over?
Yes.
Oh, where you eat the snack? Where you carry to school?
Mickey Mouse snack with Dora. Dora said that Mickey Mouse and Mickey Mouse snack.
So you sure say Mickey Mouse is name and not Mickey Mouse?
Yes, Mickey Mouse is name, Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse is name and Dora said that.
So your mother name Mickey?
Yes.
So what is not name?
Snack? Mickey Mouse.
It named Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, and Dora.
And Dora. Do you drink water?
Yes. You do some water.
Some water you drink? That's good. What about mommy and daddy?
How about mommy and daddy?
Tell me about mommy and daddy.
Mommy and daddy can go home. Then she give me something to eat.
So do you love eat food, so? You just love when you get something to eat?
Eat?
You just love when you get something to eat?
Yes.
Okay. So that's all about mommy and daddy? Then just carry home and get something to eat?
Yes.
So nothing else, like one to when I sleeping time, what you do? When you go home at night and it's time to sleep, what you do?
Go sleep.
That's it? You watch TV before you drop asleep?
Yes.
What you watch?
Mickey Mouse and Dora.
Mickey Mouse and Dora? What's your favorite cartoon?
Mr. Bean and Max and Ruby.
Max and Ruby!
And Mr. Bean.
Max and Ruby, nice. What else we can talk about?
Water.
What about water?
Crocodile.
What?
Fish.
Fish live in water? What else live in water?
Crocodile.
Yep, crocodile live in water. You ever seen a crocodile before?
See some school.
You see a crocodile at school?
Yeah, come go to zoo.
Oh, you got zoo.
Yeah, water zoo.
Okay. So,
There be a water zoo.
you see bear water? What else you see? You see duck?
Yes.
And what else you see in the water? Fish?
Fish and crocodile. And then they will go to school over.
Oh, school over when you go back. Ah, okay. Show them how long your hair is. Show them. You like your hair?
Yes.
What if I cut off your hair? What do you do? What would you do?
Yeah, rubber.
You will just go back? Say if I cut it off, you're not going to say nothing to me?
You just rubber.
What about Uncle Dada?
Because then I got a very good.
Every day the Uncle Dada gonna work?
Yes.
I know man, Uncle Dada always at work. But him have to work, you know?
Yes.
What you gonna do when your time to go work? What you gonna do? You
Gonna work.
You gonna like work?
No.
You're not gonna like it?
No, gonna be a tractor there work.
Be a what?
Be a tractor.
Be a tractor?
Yeah.
So what do you want to do when you grow up?
Suitcase.
What do you mean you want to be a suitcase?
Mickey Mouse suitcase.
Come again? You want to be a Mickey Mouse suitcase?
Mickey Mouse.
No, Nish. Like, what do you want to be? What do you want to be when you grow up? Do you want to be a nurse, a doctor, a teacher, a lawyer? What do you want to be?
A teacher.
A teacher? You say you want to be a teacher, right?
Yes.
Do you want to teach big children or little children?
Little children.
Like you?
Yes.
Why?
No, the little children me grow like a teacher.
Yes. Yes, but I mean like, you say you want to be a teacher, right?
Yeah.
So, what size children you want to teach?
All of Kalisa's children them. Make Kalisa be a teacher.
Who's Kalisa?
Kel.
Who?
She's my best friend.
Your best friend?
Yeah.
Tell her hi. Say hi, Kalisa.
Hi Kalisa.
Can I wave?
Hi Kalisa.
Alright, so Kalisa, your best friend. You have any more best friends?
Kalisa, I don't have my best friend.
Okay, you don't want no more best friend?
Mm-mm.
What you say, dog? You like dog?
No.
Why?
My cat is.
But remember, say they afraid of the cat one time, you know. You not afraid of him again? How come?
Because I run down.
Are you having him down now?
Yeah.
The cats have baby?
Yes.
You see them?
Yeah.
How many babies you see?
1, 2, 3.
3 of them. Okay. You want one of them?
Yeah.
If I say I give you one, you want one?
Yeah.
So you say. Seriously?
Yeah.
So you're gonna ask mommy and daddy if you can get one of the cats?
Yeah.
Okay. How much closer are you gonna come? 4. Guys, yo, you're so mad about. You have anything else you want to say to them?
Once when my mother come back.
Oh, you wonder when your mother come back for you?
Yeah.
She soon come back. And when she come back, you're gonna go with me and now come back down here.
Yeah, I come back down there for Wednesday.
Yeah, come back down here for Wednesday. Alright guys, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I hope you guys found it as funny as I did.
Number 1.
What is number 1?
That's number 1 this time.
That was number 1.
Number 2.
No more numbers. Okay? Alright. Guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out and also thumbs up this video. And if you guys liked it, share it with a friend and tag somebody, alright? Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you guys we'll see you guys, that sound right? Yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye!